Showers and thunderstorms in our far eastern counties. There's Hudspeth County, southern Hudspeth County, south of Sierra Blanca. We have some thunderstorms here. You can kind of make out some of the lightning. They are moving away from you folks in Sierra Blanca. There's a look at Van Horn, and it does appear at this point they should stay just south of Van Horn. I know probably some of you folks in Van Horn would love to see some rainfall, but we're going to continue to watch that. There's a look at Scotts Crossing as well, but Indiana Hot Springs, they continue to see some thunder showers rolling through there. All right, we've been talking about triple-digit days, and most of them occur in the month of June. Of course, June is just right around the corner. Second place is the month of July, and when you look back on 100-plus degree days, 1980 was the big year. I mean, these were the record days that we had, 25 triple-digit days in June and 24 in the month of July. So that was back there in 1980. Let's hope we don't repeat it this year. Here's a look at the winds, and the winds will be up a little bit tomorrow. Gusts at 35, 25 on Wednesday, then we drop it down Thursday, Friday, and then the winds start to pick up once we head into next weekend. So if you do have outdoor plans next weekend, they don't look fierce right now, but kind of low, moderate range of the windy category, and it is going to be very hot over the weekend as well. Here's a look at our latest feature track computer model. Shows a lot of these storms now moving out of here later on tonight. And tomorrow morning at 6 o'clock, skies will be clear. Some clouds to the north of us. A little batch of clouds move in from the north. We'll have northerly winds tomorrow. And you'll notice some of the clouds hanging around. We're going to be too dry to see any showers or thunderstorm activity across the area for tomorrow or Wednesday. In fact, much of this week looks like it's going to be on the dry side across town. I know many of you folks would love to see some rainfall. It has been some time since we've seen some measurable rain. 65 for the overnight low. Look at sunset time now. 1 minute after 8 o'clock. And tomorrow, 90 degrees. Sunrise will be shortly after 6 o'clock, but we'll make it up to about 90 degrees across the area tomorrow. Winds will pick up and will be low and windy. Tonight, 55. Overnight in Las Cruces, your high temp tomorrow. We'll make it up to 87 degrees. Watch over the next several days. 90, 89, 97. Well, here we go. Beginning Thursday, look at Friday, Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday. We're going to be looking at temperatures hovering right around 100 to 102 degrees. Overnight lows will be a little warm, too, in the 70s, Mark.
All right.